Capture the flag.
Hello guys, I'm starting Rec Room. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna be playing this for the rest of my life. Now look at me, I am, and yes I'm in mobile. I've been playing this game for like a couple years now. And yes I'm a kid. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up. We gotta be very quiet. We gotta be very quiet. Am I shifting? She'll do nothing. Dang it! How do I grab stuff? Oh yeah, how do I pick pick up stuff if I already have it in my hand? Is it, I think it's that one that I just did, like this button. The way you go to the side, yeah, you pick that one. Let me test it out. So it's this, okay. I don't know how to throw stuff. Drop the square. Oh. Dang it! Fuck you, bitch! Oops, sorry. I'm a friendly boy. Sorry for saying. Someone took my flag. Someone took the flag. I take the red. We're gonna be very quiet. Should be. How the f did he see me? He's like the melody that my head so good I can do. Are we in water? Tell me if we're in water. Is that water? Or is that blueberry seed? I think that's blueberry seed. But God. I might play a different game. And no, I'm not a controller. I just have it disabled. So if you have a problem, I'm gonna beat your ass up. Yeah, blur. Back room. Anybody see that? Anybody see that? Anybody see that? Anybody see the back rooms? It'll be. I'm gonna see how to defeat the back rooms. Like oh. Yeah. No, I got a friend named Barney, right? He was in the back room, right? He didn't came back yet, so I'm gonna find him. Try to find him. Oh, why is it so yellow? Is it pee in here? Okay, let's see anything. Okay, let's see some stuff. What are those? Okay, those are that. Can I become one of you guys? No, I do not want to become one of you guys. Okay, how do I... Okay, I'm gonna start playing. I guess you just walk out here. Oh, no you don't. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Can we go over here? I think we're supposed to go back here. Okay, we're not supposed to. Okay, we're gonna do a half. No, half 5. What am I supposed to? What am I supposed to do? Is there something over here? Oh, I'm in. Yes, I'm finally in the back rooms, guys. I'm kind of scared. Because, the back rooms, because I don't know what's in the back rooms. Pretty nice stuff. Ooh, can I sit down? Ooh, it's pretty nice stuff. I can't. Oh. Keep it PG, guys. Keep it. This is not a person, right? Oh, where do I go next? Go in that room. I'm about to go in this room, guys. Make sure I'm safe. But I'm here again. I'm in the loading screen. I hate the loading screen. Read on it. Ooh, I need. Wait, yeah. Okay. It said I could pick up stuff. I need to be one of those guys. Okay. Where do I go? In this room? In this room? Where do I go? Should I have gone here? Nah. It's awfully quiet. The back room's kind of scary. It's kind of boring. Oh, there's a big space right here. Oh, I don't like big spaces. Oh, my dad's here. Where are you guys going? I'm just talking to my dad. What's happening? I guess I went somewhere. I guess I teleported. I've already beaten the second one, I think. I don't know. I don't know where to go after. Oh my god, there's a cockroach. Those are the spider webs in this little apartment we had. Oh, there's a big room. Everybody knows I don't like big rooms. We're going this way. Okay. I'm gonna pick up a shield. Nope, those are not shields, I guess. That light's flickering. Should I go left or right? Comment down below. I'm going this way. Keep it going straight, I guess. Should I have gone in here? Should I have gone in here? Really? Party? I just recognized something. Was that person I saw dead on the other map? Was that Barty? Was that Barty? Huh? I gotta go to this one. I'm gonna say to on this one. Don't know if this is low-key jump scaring, but it's kind of creepy. So, also one-handed. Okay. Barty? Barty over here. Why could I not fit in here? Whoever made this map, I can't fit in there. Okay. Never go to. Everybody goes to a wall. Everybody has to go to walls. Dead ends. Look up for what? There's a wall that I'm going in. Nope. Well, I have to go inside of it. This is pretty scary. I'm just gonna see. The monster's scary. So what does this mean? Scotty? I'm in the back rooms. What do I do? And I'm videoing this on the real video mode. Ooh. Can I go down low? We're gonna stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay low, stay low. Stay low, stay low. Everybody knows staying low is the best. Hallway. Jump. Can I touch the roof? Okay, level 2 is a little bit difficult. What, scary? Okay, what? It's like I've been here before. I'm gonna hide. I should. Okay. We gotta zoom in. Zoom in on this. I'm gonna take some pictures of it. No! Alright, we're gonna be ending the video right now. See you guys.